Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore 401k contribution deductions using Fidelity tax forms. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the restoration of your 401k contribution deductions using Fidelity tax forms, first, log in to your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Accounts section on the top menu. Select Retirement Accounts from the drop-down list. Locate your 401k account and click on it to access your contributions. Next, scroll down to find the Tax Documents section. Click on the tax forms link to view available documents. Look for the most recent tax year's forms, specifically the 1099-R and 5498 forms. Click on the 1099-R form to download it if you have made withdrawals or distributions. Next, download the 5498 form which reports your 401k contributions. Review the 5498 form to confirm your total contributions for the year. Take note of the contribution amount as you will need it for your tax return. If you need to amend your deductions, gather any additional documentation that supports your 401k contributions. Prepare your tax return using software or consult with a tax professional if necessary. When completing your tax form, make sure to include the contribution amount from the 5498. Calculate any adjustments you may need to make based on your other income and deductions. Finally, ensure that all forms are submitted to the IRS before the deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully restore your 401k contribution deductions using Fidelity tax forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.